Okay, we're doing derivatives right now. Here in our problem right here, we have x, 8x to the fifth minus 3x to the third plus the fifth root of x to the fourth. So when we break this down right here, we have 8x to the fifth. You bring the 5 in front of the x, then you subtract by 1. It's going to give you 5x to the fourth. So you're going to have 8, 5x to the fourth. And right here you have 3x to the third. So that's going to give you, you can bring the x to the third up and make that x to the negative 3. And when you have x to the negative 3, you bring the negative 3 out in front, which is what we did. And then you subtract by 1, which is going to give you x to the negative fourth. And then you're going to multiply that by 3, which we're going to do, we're going to bring it down here and do. And then we have the fifth root of x to the fourth. So how we can do this is the fifth root of x to the fourth is the same as 4/5 x to the negative 1/5, because we have the fifth root of x, which is going to be to the negative 1/5. And then we got x to the fourth, which is going to be 4. But when we break this down, we can get two solutions here. So we have 8 times 5, which is 40, x to the fourth, plus, all right, so you got a negative and a negative. That's going to give you a plus x to the fourth, because a negative 4 we can bring down here. So we got 4/5 x to the negative 1/5. What we can do is have 4/5, and then we can either write this as, because we're bringing this is a negative 1/5 right here, a negative 1/5. We can bring this down to 4/5 to the fifth root of x, or we can write this as 4/5 x to the 1/5. You can write it as two different ways. My professor doesn't care if you write it like this, as to the fifth root of x, or x to the 1/5. It does not matter.
Bro, man, phone charger. Okay, one of the things I've noticed being in college or wherever you live,